How to add filter on videos from camera roll. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to add a filter to a video from your camera roll on Snapchat, what you're simply gonna do is first launch the Snapchat app on your device. Now go to photos. Over here you'll see all your saved photos on Instagram, but you can also see the option which says camera roll, which is over here. Click on it. Now, this will take you to the photos which are saved in your camera roll. Now, just open the video you want to add the filter on. Then in the bottom, you can see the option which says add a lens. Click on it. Then you'll be presented with various lenses over here. Just scroll through it and find the lens you want to add on the video. Then click on it. After that, the lens has been applied. Then you want to save it and it will be saved. So this is how you can add a filter on the video from your camera roll. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching to the end of the video and see you in the next video.